Hello students, in this video you will find classification of elements by Newland's law of octave. In 1864, Newland arranged elements in the increasing order of their atomic mass, and he found that the properties of every eighth element starting from any given element or similar to the property of the first element. Based on this observation, he gave his law of octave. Next point, remember, what is Newland's law of octave? According to Newland's law of octave, when elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic mass, properties of every eighth element are similar to the properties of first element, just like the eighth note of the musical scale. Like musical scale, like sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Again sa is repeated. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa is repeated. Like this, every eighth element shows similarity in its property with the property of the first element. Newland classified elements in horizontal rows. Let us see how it was. Like this. Horizontal rows like serial number, and here elements. Then first row is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Elements. These are the elements. This is horizontal row of element. First row. Second row, sodium elements. Second row. Now second row is sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Now third row. Third row. Like this. Third row is potassium, calcium. Then Newland divided elements in the horizontal rows of elements. If lithium is the first element, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th element is sodium. According to Newland's law of octave, sodium should have similar property to the property of lithium. Sodium must show that according to Newland's law of octave, sodium should have property which are similar to the property of lithium. Like lithium has valency 1, sodium also has valency 1. Lithium oxide is basic, sodium oxide is also basic. Lithium has 1 electron in the valence shell, sodium also has 1 electron. Lithium is metal, sodium is also metal. Both are light element. If sodium is first element, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th element is potassium. Hence, potassium should show similarity in its property with the property of sodium. Hence, lithium, sodium, potassium are the elements which have many similarity in their properties. Now, next point. Let us see achievement. Merit. Merit is their atomic mass was recognized as the basis of classification of element. This was the first merit. First merit. Second merit is periodicity. Periodicity as the property of element was recognized for the first time. What is periodicity? Repetition of element after certain regular interval having same property. Elements having same property are repeated after certain regular interval. This is periodicity, and it was here recognized for the first time. This was one important merit of this classification. And third merit is this Newland's law of octave worked well, applicable nicely for the light elements. These light elements were following the Newland's law of octave. Now let us see next point, demerit. What was the demerit? What was the reason of rejecting the Newland's law of octave, this classification by Newland's law? First demerit was, it was applicable up to calcium. Elements beyond calcium could not be included in the Newland's law of octave. First demerit. Second demerit is, in this Newland's law of octave, some elements were grouped together, but they were very different. Like iron was placed with oxygen and sulfur. It was another drawback in this. And third drawback is, after the discovery of noble gases, it was the ninth element, not the eighth element, having similarity in its property to the property of first element. Then these are three drawbacks. This is about Newland's law of octave, and thank you. Again, in next video you will find next very interesting topic of this chapter. Thanks.